Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ranked in Nintendo Switch Sports, updated. Start by selecting Ranked from the main menu and confirm your region and preferred sport. Warm up in casual matches to get comfortable with timing and controls before queuing. Focus on one sport to learn specific mechanics, practice serves and defense, and review replays when possible to correct mistakes and refine strategy. Before you enter ranked play, adjust your settings and hardware for consistent performance. Spend time in training drills to master motion timing and special moves for your chosen sport. Set realistic session goals like improving serves or reducing unforced errors rather than only chasing rank. Stay hydrated, take short breaks between matches, and review a quick highlight after each game to keep steady improvement and avoid tilting. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy immersive audio for practice sessions, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings crisp sound and hands-free voice controls to your setup in a compact form. It's perfect for playlists, timers between matches, and asking for quick tips while you warm up. If you find this content useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and see more updates. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. During a ranked match, focus on consistency and reading your opponent rather than fancy plays. Use positioning and timing to force weak returns and capitalize on errors. If partnered, coordinate simple strategies like targeting one side or alternating pressure. Track momentum and reset mentally after lost points by breathing and refocusing. Small adjustments like mixing pace or targeting the weaker side will swing sets in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.